Hi there, John Ferriman from Balance Physical Therapy. Again, back today to talk about our core values. Our acronym for our core values here at Balance is STRONG, S.T.R.O.N.G. And today we're going to talk about our O, which stands for Outstanding Initiative. What does that mean? You ever been someplace when everyone in the room seems to know that something needs to get done, but everybody just kind of stands around and looks at each other, and then they look at the thing that needs to be done and everybody just kind of does this? You're never going to see that happen here. Outstanding Initiative means you don't need anyone's permission. If something needs doing, go ahead and do it. You don't need to wait for me to give you permission. You don't need to wait for our COO, your clinical director, your assistant director. You don't need to wait for anybody's permission. Demonstrate initiative. Get it done. There's a patient waiting and you know they've been waiting too long, go bring them back. There's a patient in any of the clinics that's kind of looking around like, hey, I'm done with my hamstring curls. Go get them. Get them on their next exercise. Do not wait for permission. Execute, attack. Execute, attack, get it done. That's what outstanding initiative means. Why is it important? Well, because people who take initiative are people who get ahead. People who do more than what they're paid to do are the ones who end up getting paid more sooner, okay? That's what initiative does, and it collapses time, because if everyone in an organization has that attitude and if everyone on a team is taking initiative, guess what? It saves everybody on the team a ton of time, and ultimately that benefits our patients who we are here to serve day in and day out. So if you are not working in an environment where your teammates are taking initiative, please consider reaching out to us. We'd love to talk to you. Balance PT Move on Instagram or balancept.com on the web. Thanks so much.